Welcome. So, I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the course that's come up. I know I spoke to some of you this morning about it, and I guess it's about maybe how do we address the bigger picture of what's going on in the world through food. What are the choices that we can make on a day-to-day basis? So we try to honour that in the centre of keeping kind of local food as much as we can, as much organic food as well. So the impact on that is that we're supporting farmers who are doing good stuff for the land. The impact of that is once the land is being taken care of, then also that has an effect on the climate, has effect on the larger picture. So we have the possibility of changing that through the choices that we make. And the other side of that is then if we're choosing vegetables or we're choosing products which are really well taken care of, that take care of the soil and that takes care of us. And I see the similarity at the moment between taking care of the diversity in our own gut is the same way that we should be taking care of the diversity in the soil. So how we've taken out of the soil, we've created these monocultures, we've created single vegetables. The soil doesn't want to work that way, and the same with ourselves as well. You know, we've taken so much away from our own guts. We only eat certain types of foods. We used to have huge amounts of diversity in the past. So a lot of what we'll be doing on the course then is about how do we understand food, what happened in food, what happened in the history of food, and how do we get back to where we were. Because 100 years ago, before the Industrial Food Revolution, we were relatively healthy. 100 years later, a lot of us are really sick. So that's a little bit of it for us if you're interested. So today this is shakshuka or taktuka, which is basically a Mediterranean dish. So this is roasted peppers, lots of spices, so it is quite spicy. So we have some, this is soy yogurt, so it's non-dairy yogurt, just in case you want a little bit of salt as well. And then we have baked eggs on top. This is blanched broccoli with a little bit of garlic and butter. This is roasted Crown Prince pumpkin, roasted honeyed carrots, and then there's like a peanut satay dressing on top. And there's a little bit more if somebody wants it as well. This is the heritage beets yesterday. It's raw. We've got roasted walnuts and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And then we have the leaf again, and then we have like a honey mustard dressing as well, and a little bit of bread.
Niall, this looks excellent. Folks, what did you think of the food so far?
Amazing.
Excellent.
Superb.
Amazing.
Very nice.
We've all been asking for recipes.
Yeah.